So how you doing, man? Let me make this video to explain to you how this thing works. So I developed the software to track the entire market. Okay, my software is track the first 3,000 coins with more volume. Okay, the first 3,000 coins. On the first page here, if you go to coin market cap, you will find only the first 100 coins. Okay, but my software is calculate the first 3,000. That means it's basically you open the same page 30 times. 100 coins for each page. Okay, but like I said, first 3,000 coins with more volume. This is the volume here. Okay, it's not about the volume, it's about volume spike plus buyer power. You see here, volume spike, buyer power. Let me show the private list, those trades I shared in the private list like 3 days ago. So far, rough, we made in this trade here 120%. The coin went up so far 183%. We just sold. Digibits, we made over 40% on this trade here. Okay, let me give you a quick example about that coin you show me. If you go here, Suco, right? Suco, right here. Pay attention this date right here. Oh, March 18. Pay attention to those numbers on the white square. You see the volume was 3.9. Okay, 3.9 right here. March 18, the volume was 3.6 million. Okay, pay attention now. What's gonna happen with the volume? Right here on March 20, the volume was 8.8 million. Right here, boom. That means the volume more than double. Okay, that's when my software track and my software alert me, hey, Suco, I got a volume spike. Now I'm waiting for buyer power. Okay, here, buyer versus sellers, that means buyer power. So whenever I have a 70% buyer power, that means more buyers than sellers. So I got a volume spike plus 70% buyers, the coin is gonna pump. Okay, that's when I share in the private list. So I share this trade in the private list around March 21. Okay, right here. So what happened after I share in the private list? The coin pumps. We bought this coin for around 21, 22 cents, and you put a sell order right here, 35 cents. Okay, so from the March 21 when I share in the private list up to the day when we sold, that means right here March 29, we talk about around 7 days, 7-8 days. Okay, the coin pumped 75%. Why the software is so accurate? Because the software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. Okay, that's when you make money. And all you gotta do is follow my trades. If I send you a trade, I'm gonna give you the exactly point where you should buy and when should you sell, because my software calculates the volume plus buyer power. That means I know the maximum price the price is gonna hit. Okay, that's all you gotta do is follow my trades. So if you calculate one more time, volume spike here, March 18, volume was 3.8, March 20, volume was 8.8. That means the volume spike a lot, over 100%, right? So right here, my software give me alert of buyer power. So that means I bought it here and you put a sell order at 35. You bought it at 21, 22, put a sell order at 35 cents. We made 70% profit on this trade. Okay, like I said, I control the entire market for this software. All you gotta do is follow my trades. Okay, let me show you something. I know everything's going on. Fast pump list. Those coins they are pumping on the last hour. They are fast trades. Okay, I don't share those trades in the private list because they are too fast. You need time. So I only share trades in the private list, like Suco example. You have like 24 hours to set up your order before the pump, because the pump is about to happen. Okay, and like I said, man, if you like to become a member, feel free to reach me out, alertpump@gmail.com, and let's trade together, because together we are strong. Why I say that? Because more people buying the same coin, that means more volume, that means more money. So you're gonna speed up the uptrend process. Okay, it's a group of traders. We trade with confidence, no emotions. So I have over 10 years experience doing this. Okay, and I'm a software engineer and I developed this. Okay, let's trade recap in the private list. Today you got a Rufus and Digital Beat, and that's all I got to say. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.